you're finishing a garage floor, what do you think is better, epoxy or a polished concrete floor? Let's talk about it. This is Paul Lundgren. I'm with AFT Construction here at our Cedar and Slate project. And a lot of you have seen this amazing 5,000 square foot car barn, which we call it. This is going to house this client's collector cars. When we're finishing a garage, we will suggest an epoxy floor with a flake overlayment with a polyurethane finish on it. But in this case, the client didn't want to go with that traditional epoxy look. He knows he's going to be turning the tires that are hot, and he didn't want to compromise anything that would be epoxy, so he went with this polished concrete look. The polished concrete floor is a multi-stage sanding and burnishing. So you'll start out with these higher grit sandpapers and go over the whole floor. You'll polish it to a nice level finish, and then you'll start upping that grit, which the higher the number on the grit, the less abrasive it is, and the more polishing you start to do. So here we're at the final stage at the car barn. We're burnishing the floor, and it's where they polish it. But before that, we filled the cracks, all the relief joints between all the slabs, with a semi-rigid, I think it's called a polyurethane epoxy, that would fill those gaps. And then when you polish it, it's almost level with all of the rest of the floor, so you don't have that dip to catch dirt and debris or liquid. And as you can see, as we're polishing the floor, it just keeps getting shinier and shinier. No concrete floor is perfect. You're going to get somewhat of a wave in it, especially when you put that sheen on it. Most concrete floors, it's not that shiny. You don't see all the imperfections and the highs and lows, but once you start polishing it, you'll see a lot of that. And you notice here we got our Two Brothers Epoxy company doing our floors, but they aren't epoxy. We're polishing these floors. Two Brothers can handle all types of different floors, from epoxy to the multicolored, what do you call that, epoxy finish, something that's more like marble, to you got your concrete polished floors to a high gloss. So Two Brothers Epoxy doesn't mean they only do epoxy. You can do a polished concrete floor also. I'll take you inside and give you a little sneak peek of this American flag that we hung up in the ceiling. It's a 10 by 15 flag, custom made just for our barn. This is Paul Lundgren with Finer Touch Construction. I'm glad you joined me on Cedar and Slate. I hope you keep subscribing and liking our stuff so we can keep putting it out there for you to see. Until next time.